Guys, good day and welcome to another weekly update, episode 76. Guys, you have seen what we are up to in last week update. So, probably we make few bags, and we try our best to continue this week as we have to finish up this bag for some events we'll be going pretty very soon. So, probably next 2 weeks, or next week, I think the event should be there. So we are taking most of this back to that place to display for pre-order and for sale. So that's the reason why we need to finish most of this back, because this particular one are just for us like new collection we are designing and are improving on the previous one we have made before. So guys, by the way, very soon I will turn the camera now to show you the one we made last week. You guys see it, then the continuation where we stopped last week. We are going to continue from there. As I finished the last weekly update, it was during the weekend, and I told you I informed you guys that I will not be doing anything till Monday. So now it's Monday, but the weather is into or nobody is here yet. But it's very early. I want to finish this work before any of them come. And as you can see, this is the one we finished last week, this floor, and we have the rest on the decks there. So I'm going to turn the camera now and let you guys see. Before I go, for those of you who are new to the channel, you can consider subscribing. When you subscribe, don't also forget to turn on the post notification bell so that you get notified when we upload a new video on this channel. Leave in the comment section down below what you think, and give this video a giant thumbs up after you finish watching if you do enjoying it. If you don't enjoy this, I know people always enjoy it because people always comment in the comment section down below and get to me. And you can share this with people you know it might be of help to them. Maybe people that just want to start bag making, they have interest and that want to be a self-taught. You can share this video with them. And by the way, don't forget that our online training is still pretty available, and the same thing as the on-site training. If you are in Abuja, in Niger State, in Nasarawa, is a little bit close to where I am in Abuja again, so you can register for the online training. And if you want the that's for the physical training. If you want the online training as well, anywhere you are in the world, even people from African country, from European country, from America, you can register with me. We make video to specify, we make video one-on-one to order and teach you in details things you need to know. Not just on YouTube, we are not showing you everything. We need to fast forward and everything, but if you register for our online training, we give you everything in details, all the secret behind every bag and the process, the measurements, the interface you need to use, the material that you need to use best, the kind of thread, the kind of needle, the kind of machine you need to use. We tell you those. So enough advertising myself. And by the way, most of this bag you are seeing, most of these bags are for sale. So if you are an upcoming vendor, if you need bag, you can get in contact with me as my WhatsApp link will be in the description for the business and the personal WhatsApp. If you also want to start your bag business and you need someone to design your bags and produce your bag, we do that at an affordable rate, and we don't sell other people's design to other clients. We have different clients with their own design, regardless of when the bag is being produced. We still keep their design. Even if other people want it, we modify and do a different thing, but it's not the same exactly thing for one client. So that's just it, guys. Enough talking, enough bothering you with my talk. Let me turn the camera and I'll show you what I'll be doing right now. Without no further ado, see you at the next clips. Welcome back, guys. I just want to start this. I initially want to start the yellow, as you can see from the time lapse, but I decided to reel the black thread. So I will start the black one right now before I finish with the yellow. Then go back to there if I can able to do it today as well, because I need to go out. And these are the five I just finished: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So how are you guys loving the color? And very soon we'll be making the strap for them. So this particular one, these three, they are of the same size. In short, these four are of the same size but a little bit different from the specification. But this one is a little bit tiny among them, but this one are big ones, this black and this orange. So that's the one I'll be making right now. We'll still continue with the time lapse for you guys to see the process by the way, how I use this domestic machine to make most of this bag. Because when I tell you guys that I use domestic machine to make most of this bag, even the gusset, some of you don't believe because you find it difficult to use. But by the way, if you really want to learn, you can talk to me. My WhatsApp is linked in the description. I can teach you, give you the secret behind you using domestic machine to make most of this bag. What you need to do, the adjustments, the setting, the kind of things you need to use for you to be able to achieve this type of structural bag on a domestic machine just as this one. So guys, enough talking. I will see you in the continuation of the time lapse as I will continue. So thank you guys for watching. If you are new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe, and as you subscribe, don't also forget to turn on the post notification bell so that you get notified when we upload a new video on this channel. Give this video a giant thumbs up, share with people you know it might be of help to them, and we are going to see you in the next clips as I continue time lapse. Thank you guys for watching. Bye for now. See you later, I mean, not bye for now. So guys, as you can see, I have finished this particular one, and the black one you see as well, both are finished, and the rest. But I don't think this one, the one with the basket, this one on the table, this one with this camera, I don't think I will do this to do. And if I'm not around, sometimes we don't film. So probably you guys will get to see it later on. See how it's going. So this is this particular tool, as you guys can see. This is the side orange. They are both big bag, bigger than those ones we made. See how beautiful they are. This one and the black one close to each other. I love them so much, and those are those ones there. Pack the thread now, keep them back, and I'm going out. Probably we shall continue anywhere we have time to film, but I'm going to do that this week. I will try my best to finish up this, and the strap you will see it. Then we do that. Then the one inside we need to pack those clipper bag. Then we need to pack them. And anything that comes up again, we'll still update you guys to see. So guys, thank you guys for watching now, and I will see you in the next clips. guys, we are done with this particular bag. The bag is looking nice, seriously. I love it. I wish I can carry bag. If I'm a lady, I will carry bag every day. Different bag. I will never repeat a bag. Carry bag. You say what? What are you saying? Carry bag. If you want to help me and carry bag, you are not serious. If you want to carry bag, you buy or you make your own. So probably we'll package and we'll end the video. So guys, welcome back to the continuation of the weekly update. As you guys can see, I promise you guys that I'm going to try to clear this place and package everything. So I already get package leader have arrived. I already start soon, but right now it's already late because as you can see it's 7 already, 7 at night. So probably tomorrow I will continue the rest of it, but this is part of where I'm going to end this. That's the reason why I'm showing you this particular one. So that's it. As you guys can see, the bag you've watched, we have worked on it. As you can see, this is the one we make earlier. 1 2 3 4. Then we make this basket one. You guys just finished watching. 5. We make this one 6. We make this one 7. We make that one 8. We make this black one 9. We make this one 10. We make this one 11. We make this one, this orange, which is 12. So those are all the entire bag. For next week updates that will be coming, there are tons of updates that you guys are going to see based on the new particular work we have to work on. So guys, and these are all our straps. So probably we are not showing you this on this week update. Next week you guys will see the finished product of this. They are already finished, but with the strap and the packaging, you guys are going to watch that. So enough talking. I hope you guys have really enjoyed and watched this video to this extent. Thank you guys for those of you who have been watching our video from day one. Those of you who have subscribed to the channel since day one, we really appreciate you. And for those of you who are just joining the family now, please do subscribe. When you subscribe, don't forget to turn on the post notification bell so that you'll be one of the first people to get notified when we upload a new video. Leave in the comment section down below what you think on this week update. Do you really enjoy it? Do you find it helpful or it's boring to you? Let me know in the comment section down below. Share this video with people you know it might be of help to them. If you think there is content on this video that is useful to people, please do share. And I think this is where we'll be ending this for tonight, and I'm going to see you in next week updates by God's willing. Good morning, good evening, good night, wherever you are.